Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. What we're looking at here is the second purchase for this owner. The first purchase was a Luxe luxury toy hauler. This is a Luxe Elite 44FL front living floor plan. It's got the beautiful colors on this, the Tsunami paint scheme. He has the same colors to match his truck. You might find this familiar because he had the same colors last time with his luxury toy hauler, and he switched it up a little bit. They're in a different spot, but they are the same colors with the beautiful window silks. 8,000-pound axles. There's 3 of them there, as you can see. I'm going to scan up here. This one has a very nice long incoming handle. When you have those steps out, it really is nice to grab. It grabs way down so you can get up those steps really nice and easy. So there's his rig. It's beautiful, Peterbilt. So I'm just going to scan around, do a little bit of a walk around to see how beautiful this coach is. So hey, if you want to know more about Luxe Luxury fifth wheels, give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.